Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering both devices and choosing the right cable. This reduces interruptions. Connect the Sony Stick to power or TV if required, then enable the camera's USB or data transfer mode in settings so the stick can recognize it. Once done, physically connect via USB-C to the camera port. Make sure the connector seats fully. You do this now to confirm hardware readiness, which avoids wasting time on software steps later when nothing is detected. Now configure the camera's interface so the stick can handle the signal. You set USB mode to MTP or PC remote when the stick expects file access. Alternatively, choose HDMI or clean output settings if you're sending live video. Make sure output resolution matches the stick's supported format. Most are happiest at 1080p because mismatches cause blank screens. Also disable auto sleep and power saving so the link stays active during transfer or streaming. These steps align device protocols and prevent common handshake failures. Finish by testing. Open the Stick's app or file browser and verify the camera appears. Record a short clip or start live view to confirm video and audio. If the stick doesn't detect the camera, restart both devices and reconnect. You'd be surprised how often that clears port negotiation. If problems persist, swap the USB cable or try another port, then check stick firmware and camera updates. Outdated firmware often blocks compatibility. One key tip: if you see no signal, reboot the stick first, then the camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.